Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mujahid Hussain. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, our today's topic is identify and pursue new business opportunities in the field of computer. So this is a very huge topic, but today we are going to discuss about these topics in which the product or service will be according to need, the opportunity will work in your location, ensure resources to make business successful, product and services prices according to market, timing is suitable in terms of market and resources. So in this lecture you will learn how to identify new business opportunities for new and existing business, and learn to face challenges related to business planning, finance, competition, market trend, employment issues, etc. So, and completion after the completion of this lecture, you will able to identify how to start a successful business by improving business plan. So first of all, let's move and know about business plan. What is business plan? A written document that describes in detail how a business is going to achieve its goal. Means if you are going to start a business, so you have described your business and your documents, so those documents are known as your business plan. A business plan lays out a written plan from a marketing, financial and operational viewpoint. A business plan is prepared for an established business that is moving in new direction. If you have a already running business and you are going to move towards a new business, so whatever ways, methods you have applied to build up your first business, so you will also utilize those things for the new business. Then the product or service will be according to need. If you have thought about any business, for launching any business, so first of all you must think that the product or service which you are going to start, is there any need for that product in market or not? So for a new business, when you evaluate an opportunity, ask yourself, is there is really need for this product or service? Does the product or service solve the problems for consumers? The best way to see if the people are going to like your product is to take a survey. So before starting any business, you must think about that business. Means if you are thinking about business, so there will be any product or service. So first of all you must think that whatever product you are going to produce, or you are going to give any service to your consumers, so that product or that service will solve the problem of the customers, or is there any need of that service or product in the market or not? So for knowing about this thing, take a survey, go through the markets and see what is the demand of that product or that service. And the best way to do for doing this one, you have to go through the survey. So this is the way that you have to go through any market, and then you will have to know about the need of that service and product. The opportunity will work in your location. If you have thought about any business and you are launching in your locality, so first of all think that that product or that service or that business will work, that will be successful in your locality or not. So if the opportunity meets the need, that's sufficient. But if isn't specific to your location, it won't work for you. Means your product is a need for the consumers, but in your location, in which location you are living, so there it will not work. If there is a sufficient need, it's limited need, then your product will be fail. You also have to think of economic environment where you are going to start your business. First of all, know about the people, either they can afford or not. Either they afford, then how much price they can afford for any product. So these are the main things you must think about these all. Ensure resources to make business successful. While it's true that you can start to compile resources once you have acquired or started a business, you should still be considered that this is at the first, that is at the start. You have collected your resources at once and started a business, so you must have to consider that this is a start. A personal requirement for opportunity as opposed to finding one in general. Do you have what it takes to run that type of business right now? And also think that are you going to be able to afford the resources needed to have the business succeed? If you will not keep in mind this point in start, in the end you need to trust others so that you can focus on the bigger picture of setting a strategy. It means that in starting time you must, even you have collected all the resources, you have all the resources in your hand, but you must have to think or consider that this is your start. So, and as the question, do you have what it takes to run that type of business right now? So you have to must think about that the business which you are going to start, that how it will run, how it will be successful. And then if you are getting lost, so are you able to afford the resources needed to have the business succeed? In starting time and in very beginning, you will face number of problems. There will be losses. So think about those losses, that do you have able to afford that those losses or not. And then if you think these all things in starting time, then you will be succeed. And if you are not thinking about these all, if you are not keeping these points in your mind at the time of starting, then at the end time when you will need, or when you will unable to be when you will not afford those expenses or anything, then you will trust others, because people don't want to see other people to be successful persons. So they will taunt you, they will give you different types of suggestion. You don't have to do this one, you don't have to do this one, and whatever. Then you will be loser, and your focus will not be on your business. So The good thing is that you have to think about these all things at the time of starting. And then we have product and service prices according to market. If someone is selling anything for suppose 500 per item and you are labeling as 700 per item, then you will get loss. You have to consider the market and consider price. Ask yourself whether or not you can provide the product or service at a price the market can handle. So you have to manage the price of that product according to the market or little bit below to the market, but you don't have to go above the market. If you give an above rate and different rate than markets, then you will get loss. Last, timing is suitable in terms of market and resources. Timing is everything when evaluating business opportunities. It's also worth nothing that even in a down economy there could be a window of opportunity. It's all about considering the above points to decide if the timing is right for your idea. Means if you are going to start any business which are related to summer and you are going to start that one in winter, in the starting of winter, then you will get loss. And if is there any business which is about winter and you are going to start in the start of summer, then also loss. So keep these all things in your mind when you are going to start any business, in which first of all you must know the product or service will be according to need or not, and then the opportunity will work in your location. And number third, ensure resources to make business successful. And number fourth, product and service price is according to market or not. And number five, timing is suitable in terms of marketing resources. So all these points, these 5 points, when you think about these all, then if you make any plan, then that your plan will be successful. And then do memorize these points. And is there any confusion in these 5 points are related to business plan, then comment, ask. I have provided my email and my WhatsApp number, so you can also send me notes, voice notes on my WhatsApp, and you can mail me. I am available for you guys, and I will help you to sort out your problems, sort out the difficulties which you are facing. And stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.